Uh, Hey yo guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel. We are back again with another blind date video, and you know how it is. Don't forget to like and subscribe and comment. Yeah, that's how it goes. So the no bana kuzoqala kuwe fit ne. Yeah. So what's your name?
I go by the name Happy.
Okay. What about you, Miss? What's your name?
Vanessa.
Okay. Okay. You know how it goes. We'll just be asking like questions. So what's your type, dog?
Uh, Between the bodies, I like them average, not too slim, not too thick. Shorter than me. I don't want a
Yeah.
hand that is taller than me.
Uh-huh.
And then as for personality, she has to have a welcoming personality because I'm
Yeah.
type of a crazy guy, so I can't be with a nonchalant girl. You see.
Yeah.
So yeah, all in all, just like that.
So, so kuwe, what's your type?
Mna. Okay. Type yam mchita or dark, tall. Yeah, angabikho bubbly. Andimthanda umchita ontobile. Abe normal nje, yabo. Yeah.
Okay, so when are you tall and dark?
Dark, yeah, but then not that tall, but I'm tall. Yeah.
Okay, so when I'm talking, are you what like he's saying he wants?
Hey, I don't know.
Okay.
Yes, I don't know.
Okay, so when I feel like we date, we spend a malin on a first date. How much do you spend on a first date with a hand?
On a first date, it's not supposed to be over 500 since it's the first date. It's just get to know each other.
Yeah, yeah,
Yeah.
yeah. So like when I will, it must not be over 500. Are you good at that?
Ayibonjani. No, I'm not.
Why?
Okay, if mhlambi izoba njalo, because what if undichuza into more than 500, so thini ke ngoku? That means flop.
Also, if like she chooses something that is more than like 500.
But then I think if the girl knows or how things go, she will know or it's a first date. It's not supposed to be on over things. Just get to know each other. Imagine I have to spend like around 1,000 on a first date. What's gonna happen on like third or my fourth date? Because for sure we're still gonna go out, right? So a first one is just to be
Yes, okay.
Izodiphenda nendawo ondisa kuyo. Uzothatha kwiindawo ezi-expensive and then uthi wena awuzospenda more than 500. Uyayiva le nto ndiyithethayo? Yeah.
So then what's like a proper place for you to be taken to for a date?
A restaurant.
Rest,
So
bafowethu,
like
rest.
maybe if I can say my it's bad
No, why? Why isn't my?
because it's cheaper. Okay.
No, not for me.
So when I'm fair to like in the places you go to for a date, like Zibanjan, is it restaurants or is way in the fast foods?
well, we can do both, depending on since we can explore a lot of options. You see, so we can go to restaurants, our fast food, but then Oxaleo will do both and see. Because most importantly is us spending the time, not what we are eating and stuff. You see, so yeah.
Okay, so now answer in your question, do you do you give like money to the females if you are dating the hand?
I'm dating the hand.
Yeah.
Hey, that's not a guarantee. Maybe if let's say she just meets all the requirements and she's just the type of girl that every guy wants, like yeah, she fits the puzzle, yeah, we can get there. But then if there are some things that she doesn't meet, yeah.
So then when if like you give out money, you give it like regarding requirements.
Also regarding like the way the relationship is, because mostly a relationship can be one-sided. If I'm the one who's always providing, you see, so sometimes she has to be like at least 64. She has to meet at least me halfway. Sometimes, not all the time though, but then sometimes,
And meet you halfway and give you money.
nah, not giving money. But then let's say we are spending money on something, yeah, we can contribute. Not giving money directly, but then if she wants, yeah, she can. I mean,
Okay, so it's more like when you want a 50-50.
Yeah, but they're not all the time. Just like I said, when maybe my things are kind of low at the moment, yeah. So, because I can't always be there, you see.
Okay. When you are good with the thing, if you're going to date, do like 50-50.
No.
Why?
Why?
Like, why would you like you're not fine with it?
Why uzoplan i-date and then uphinde ufuna u-50-50 kum?
So when we get the big like everything.
Siyaqala nojola sowusithi 50-50. Uyaqala nondisa kwidate sowufuna u-50-50 kodwa i-ID ize nawe.
Yeah, I get you. So far, can you please like rate him so far out of 10? Good, maybe how is it going? Do you think?
Out of 10 unxa kandizazi ii-questions mhlawumbi sazozibuza.
So far, one good.
Okay. Like so far ndingamnika u-7 out of 10. Yes.
Okay. When so far, okay, like umnika ndoni?
An 8.1.
8.1.
Yeah.
Why?
Because I think she's the type of girl that always wants the guy to be always providing, even though he's kind of down. So I'm not saying she should always go 50-50 with me, but then there are those times that you know that a guy needs to check his pockets, how they are. Yeah. So I think that's where the
Umnika 8.1 because like you think she wants a guy to always provide.
yeah.
Okay.
So she wouldn't believe me if I'm saying my things are kind of bad right now.
Okay. So why umnika like 7 out of 10?
Ngenxa ka-50-50 ufuna uplan i-date ogqiba ufuna u-50-50. Yeah.
Okay. Nansi nye questions obuza wena qala kwe-Fed ne. Like kwi-relationship are you a gold digger?
Mina?
Yeah. As a guy, are you a gold digger in a relationship?
Nah. I just want the connection to be mutual and you see, reviving. Yeah.
You don't care about the coins or anything.
Yeah, but then it has to be average. But then I prefer the connection more than the money. Yeah, because we're in a relationship, it's supposed to feel special, not always about the money. You see.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So you are you a gold digger in a relationship?
No, I'm not.
Why you say so good you're a gold digger?
No, I'm not. Andizuyifuna imali yakho. But nawe ndiphi imali yakho, but I'm not gonna force you. Like I'm not gonna force you. If you don't want to, then you don't. Like it's not a must.
Okay.
Yeah.
So if umjita anginiki then the relationship's over. It's over.
Why? Okay, akandiniki njani?
Like let's say mhlamba akanayo yabo.
Akanayo, like nam ndiyambona uba akanayo. Yeah, no to understand. If akanayo nam ndiyambona uba okay akanayo. Unless unayo ndiyambona uba unayo but akafuna undinika, then it's chai.
Let's say maybe like your boyfriend is a student, you know, by like it's high. Then still you'll just end a relationship.
No, because ndiyamazi uba akanayo ne. And mhlawumbi xa ke ifumene anditsho uba makandiphe, maybe if uyandicinga mhlawumbi andiphathele loo nto yabo. Yeah. Yes.
I get you. Ndiyakuva lo. Okay, imaqandithi. It's Cowboy. Yeah. Nigga nako bantini para medicine easy Nzoto cowboy begetilo masevela kwi-TV. I've been tryna make some money but this shit is not easy. Funa nzokwetlipa impilo ivele ibe easy. They say Vanta loves you, ayy, I love you too. But London masingathethe lapha masethe C2, ayy. Manifumana iklipa sizozikhupha sibe yi-2, ayy. Mandithi I love you, make sure ukuthi I love you too, ayy. Singene Shoprite, sithenge chicken espresso. Cause dineklipa hope londa inokustressa. Ayy, sithenge chicken burger gqibe ehlise ngetwisa. Xa unjonge emehlweni girl uyemblashisa. I'm never gonna lie, vele. Okay, not as new questions. So Gala still. how long does it take for you to do or to sleep with a girl?
I can say that there's an actual period of that. Depends on how the emotion is going.
Yeah.
Yeah, so there's not actually a period because I can't be like this time and then when let's say I'm with that girl and then she's more persuasive. For sure, if she's my girl and I'm the guy, I can't say no. You see, if she's my girl, so it doesn't really have a period when yeah.
So if like you can get like a hand now and she says like let's do it now, we are down for it.
If the feeling is mutual and if he's promising that yeah she's my girl and stuff, yeah we can get on it. Like,
Like I'm not saying like maybe like even if she's your girl, you just met her like today, like now, is it fine after here that you can dilate?
Eesh. Yeah.
Why you gotta like also
I mean, Pella, if a girl just want to give you on the first day, bruh, for sure it's not safe.
don't say
Yeah, but then, I mean,
so if like they can try to give you when you also like you will resist.
for sure you know as a guy you can't resist.
You can, my brother.
Ah,
Okay. Yeah, go. So to you, how long does it take like to do it with a guy?
The 3 months.
3 months?
Yes.
Like serious.
or 2 months, like yes.
Like ulindwe ntoni?
Ayibo. Ingxaki andikhawulezi uthanda umfana. And like andikhawulezi uba comfortable around a guy.
So ke ngoku like when in order to do it with him, you must love him first.
Yeah.
So umvumelani uma ungamthandi?
Ayibo. Okay, umuntu uvele umthande na kwangoku. Uvele umthande umuntu kwanamhlanje or what?
Ndiyavuma ngamthandi kwanamhlanje, but there is that thing yokuthi you do like him, yabo.
Yeah, and then what?
Then ke mhlawumbe you can a week nyana and see if yabo you are sure about your decision, yabo.
Ingxaki andikhawulezi umthanda umfana. Yes.
So ke ngo 3 months like
Or 2 months, like andikhawulezi, yabo.
okay.
Yeah.
So kuthithwa na umuntu
Okanye mhlawumbi sizojola ne, but xa ufuna ndikubona ndizukubona ndibhizi. Yabo?
then you wait like 3 months.
No, listen to me. Sizojola izodepend uba ndiyakuthanda nokanye andikuthandi. Yeah.
Okay. Makes sense. Kodwa ke 2 months, 3 months. Wena ungayilinda lo 2 months.
if like let's say, for sure there are those intimacy thing we can do like even before, yeah, the sex. But then it has to be actually like promising. I feel like we can be dating for like 2 months, 3 months. Well, I mean, I'm only getting a hug. I mean, we're not from high school now. Like a hug. You see?
Yeah.
So at least if there's some
Okay, ingathi
Yima, like andiyazi uba ndizoyibeka kanjani. Okay, uyandifuna ne? Let me just say
Ungivumile.
andithi kuvumelani. Ndikuvumelani. Funa inamba yam ndiyakunika inamba yam. Uyandibulisa andikuhoyi. Uyandibulisa andikuhoyi iyadlula inyanga, yabo? Uyaphinda uyandibulisa. Mhlawumbi ndikuhoye ke ngoku ufuna undibona andifuna ukubona. Yabo? Ufuna undibona andifuna ukubona. Ndiya kuwe andenzi into maybe kaloku yabo? Ndiya kuwe asenzi into ndiphinda ndiya kuwe ya ke ngoku then we can do it. I hope it makes sense.
So uzamvuma after 3 months. Anama ndimo slow na.
Umjito ufika kum ne?
Yeah.
Maybe let's just say ngoFebruary uyandifuna. Andikakufuna ndingakuthathi serious because amajita ayayicela nje inamba nakubani. And then uzondixelela into enye uba uyandithanda. I'm not sure about that. Ndizokuyeka kuWhatsApp wam mane ubulisa, uyabo? Yeah, I'm good wenzani ndihleli. That's cool. March mhlawumbi yeah ndishow interest ku. Yabo? And then kubani ke ngoku? Ngo-April ke ngoku mhlawumbi yeah that's when ke ngoku sizoqala
Niyathetha,
uba serious ke ngoku.
Okay. Then man qala ukuthatha aba serious, like you can go to him that day, you decide okay now it's enough.
I can go but still I can go and chill with you ndibuye ndize res and then ke ngoku phinde undibize then we can do it.
Okay, so when I'm fair to like, are you willing to wait 3 months? Because it is a semester in 3 months.
Yeah, if the connection is there, yeah. Because you do know the physical touch can also add to the love language, right? Yeah. So the girl, so she's saying that when she's ready to give it to me, she gonna like give me a green light, or she's just gonna say it like that.
Like I'm fair to, if like before she even like offer you a chance, she will miss you for maybe 2 months and give you attention on a third month.
Then
Will you still be there? Yeah.
well, Pella, if we lose the bond like completely, for sure, I won't stay for like,
That long, ne?
yeah. I mean,
Okay.
there's nothing that we can even talk about. Pella, you have to have something to talk about. So imagine if she's messing for like 2 months, the whole 2 months. What am I gonna be doing? What's she gonna be doing? You see.
Yeah.
So there's a lot that can happen in 2 months. So at least if we are talking, vibing, at
Yeah.
least the connection will be there. Yeah.
Okay. So what are your red flags on a hand?
A lot of male friends, bruh. Eh. I know gents. There's no such thing as male friend. Gents only what they have their goals, so I don't prefer that. And the girls that like I don't know prioritize. You have to make time for me. I mean, at least sacrifice some time. You can always be like, hey, man, I'm busy, I'm busy, I'm busy.
So when are you do not have like female friends?
You know, friends. I have one. That's why I said many. So,
So when you have a goal with her?
nah. I don't.
Can't do tea.
Okay, look. The
Can't do
difference
tea,
is
ni
like,
bra.
like
Uti.
okay, the difference is we are more like in a squad. It's not like it's me and her only in the friendship.
Okay.
We are more like let's say three gents and the girl. But then if the girl has only that male friend, they chill, they're always two. You see, that's
Yeah.
the difference. Me and her, we don't get like a private moment where I can even try something. You see, that's the
Okay.
difference.
You wanna
But
try something?
nah. That's not what I'm saying.
Yeah, I get you.
Yeah, so if the girl has that male friend, they are always gallivanting, you see. For sure, there's gonna be that moment where maybe the guy will be like, "This is my chance," you see. So you never know what happens, and I know girls are good with lying.
Yeah.
So
Already they're good at lying.
yeah, so she can get away with it. Me now at that time, I don't know anything. I'll be like, okay, my girl is cool, it's fine. But then yeah,
Okay. When what is your red flag on a mate?
Mm. Okay, red flag yam ngumtsito ophaphileyo andimthandi. Umtsito othanda i-friends yabo. Umtsito ongenayo incoko yabo.
Yeah.
Yandibulisa on my WhatsApp, hi, hello, unjani, uthi ndiphilile, like what the fuck. Undibulisela undixelela uba uphilile nawe like
Yeah.
ebudaleni. Okay, if uyazazi uba uzoba busy, just tell me, hi, I'm good, ndizoba busy. Ungavele undixelele uba uphilile. Otherwise I'm gonna miss you because uyandiqhela.
Okay.
Yeah,
Okay.
umtsito one-drip andimthandi nkosi yam.
Like awumthanda umjito on-trip?
Like uzode udriphe odlule nam, like uyandibona mna I'm so normal. Uyandibona
Yeah.
ijini netophu sirayithi for me. And then ko ndihamba nawe
Yeah.
uyaxhakazela like why unxiba ibhlukhwe ezinkulu, mna ndinormal ecaleni kwakho unamachain nayo yonke into. Like that's a red flag for me. Umjito one-dreads andimfuni.
Zinani i-dress cause le kade awuzifuni nyanyani i-dress.
Like why izoba nee-dreads umjita, like uzimisele ezinweleni, like you are serious about inwele, like you take them seriously, like that's a red flag for me. Yeah.
Okay. Ngiyabona. So when I fair to do izinto akazi zi-red flags kuye uzizo wena. Do you wear baggy pants and drip like that?
I'm average. Like I'm not there. I'm just average.
Sometimes.
Yeah, there's just those times that where you have to go all out. Maybe if there's an occasion, but then on a normal day, I'm just simple.
Okay. I get you. So what is your love language?
Love language. Hey, I'm not gonna lie, boy. Physical touch is important. To me, I feel like it creates more, you know. And also, I can say that, and also like I don't know, be honest with each other. Being honest, yeah.
Is a love language being honest?
Yeah.
Okay, manze kwengathi niyavuma ngoku I feel like there's this bond mhlambe yabo
No,
maybe now
man.
ndanibhidisa. Okay, wena what is your love language?
Hospitals. Okay. Love language, communication. Like I love communication because I do communicate. And mna ndiyakwazi ukohlukana nomjida or ziyakwazi uphela ii-feelings zam ngenxa yoba awunayo i-communication yabo. And yeyiphi enye i-love language yam? I think iqala communication, then I can see anayo enye yabo.
What
Ezinye
is communication?
zakheka through i-communication uba ucommunicata njani yabo nam.
Yeah, so ke ngoku physical touch ayifuni ku-relationship you don't want
Yeah,
it.
ndiyayifuna like yeah, but ungabikho too much. I hate umfana ondibamba phakathi kwabantu.
Uma ubanjwa at least privately.
Like ukubona umfana efika ekubhijabhija efuna ukukhisa phakathi kwabantu. Like I hate that so much. Ngathi ngoku wena we believe uba nyhani.
Yeah, but
Like
like
this is happening. Yeah.
yeah, ndiyabona.
And I hate umfana like if une-trust issues.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Okay. That's I think maybe this is one of the last questions, ne? I'll ask you. What is your longest relationship?
My longest relationship,
Yeah, or it took like how many years?
1 year, 8 months.
1 year, 8 months.
Yeah, that's my longest.
What
one.
happened? You're the one who cheated.
Nah, there was no cheating. It was just there's this distance that just happened, and a lot was happening at the time. Of us like situations. So we sit down, we talked. We like, let's just cool down, and then just take I can't say a break. Let's just say a break up. Yeah, but then it wasn't like where someone just woke up and be like, I'm breaking up with you, whatever, yeah. And there was no cheating. It was just more like a mutual agreement due to unforeseen circumstances. Yeah.
Okay, so on a relationship yakho longest ithatha singanani?
3 years.
Awuyaphusha most. Yamosheka seku 3 years, what happened?
He was insecure.
Wamlahlela lona ba insecure.
I feel like wayesendibhulisha. Yabona xa sowuqala uba insecure kwi-relationship uba yibhuli. Yabo.
Yeah, ne?
Because if mhlawumbi ndise-study, I just remember the other day ndise-study ndifotile incwadi and then he was like uba zezigabani ezizihlangu. Zange ndinothise noba kukho izihlangu.
Kwangezabani kodwa nyani?
Hayibo izihlangu zomfana e-library andizibonanga mos mna ndifotile xa ndisithi hayibo uyandiquestion uba zezigabani izihlangu. And then ndahamba ndandiyokoneka iimpahla zam yabo washing line. Xa ndifika ukubone mos umuntu akubhalela imeseyiji.
Yes.
Okay, ungene xa iphinde ubhala enye imeseyiji. Xa ndiphendula hayibo like sekendibuza uba why khona ndiphendulayo. Ndabona uba no like uzondibhulisha yabo.
Yeah, makes sense. So when I'm more like also avoid even TPV.
Ewe because kaloku kwayi uzondibuza yonke into like insecure awundithembi. Awundithembi uba mandifote ndiphi ntonto uhamba nobani yabo. I don't like it.
When I was loyal, awuzange wenza into enza bazange kuthembi. Zange
Ayibo njani?
kuthembi.
Njani?
Ayithembi.
Oh, like no.
Wena mfethu uyamthemba? Mombethethe.
Ish. Sometimes she speak like jokingly. So yeah.
Awumthembi.
But then yeah, there is that trust. For sure I can just like say but then the way she says things, it's like she's unsure of them. So
Yeah.
yeah.
What the way you say things?
Like I'm unsure.
Yeah.
I am sure. Like it is just that it was a long distance relationship yabo. Ngona ngiqala ukuza apha esikolweni yabo. Ukubone mos amajita aqhathana uba uzofika pha at 10 yabo. Noba ndise library ziyakhala. uphi sisihlangu zikabani ezi noma ndokoneka impahla kutheni ungona ufikayo eqoma uyabona lapha ndizobhulishwa apha yabo ya yaba into enjalo okay ya manje
Ted, it's my man.
no
Okay.
it's fine
So ke ngoku I'm thinking of giving you the opportunity uba like nithethe noyithu nazane before I unfold you, yabo. I like the Susi blinds.
sazane kanjani
Like nje kakuhle uzobona uba like hi yabo kanje nakanje yabo. Maybe there are things umjita angarhalela ukuzazi endingazibuzanga okanye wena ungarhalela ukuzazi kuye endingazibuzanga, yabo. Maybe as if mhlambe like where do you stay, yabo. Yabo.
do I stay
Like nibuzane because akekho wazi bomnye uhlala phi.
lapha
Makalokho. Okay, I think i-mic ngizayishiya kuwe, yabo.
ndiyazikhulula okanye
No, Jojo. No, now before nize
oh my
nizikhulule.
goodness
Yabo. Before nize nizikhulule, you just try talking to her and you talk to each other, yabo. Sishiya kuwe mic ni. Iza kwesi situlo sindlebe uzobona kusona. Yeah. Yabo. Mhlawumbe andani ufuna ukunika naba handshake nyana.
hayibo bra kanti
Before we see each other.
nyanyana hayibo
Akho kunyanyani but nje before handshake nyana. Yabo. Na sandle moyeni. So uma uvisana zakhe like how do you feel?
hayibo ndothi ndifilani kanti ufuna nofile ntoni
Okay, baba mafethu like talk to her like maybe for 2 minutes nyana no 2 minutes, yabo. I think if unzoyimisa in between you so that nizovakala manje. Ungasaba.
Yeah, sure. Hey, good though.
right wena
I'm also good. But from the like,
Yeah?
I've been observing, you look like you're a funny person, which is actually a green flag for me.
green flag undazelaphi
I'm saying like from the way I've been hearing you,
okay
like you are kind of funny, so it's actually good for me because I think you have a welcoming personality, which will be easy to talk about things and just get to know each other.
andazi anayi andazi
Yeah, all right. Where are you from?
like Eastern Cape
Same Cape.
and you
From Limpopo.
oh Umton what's your tribe
Benda.
oh okay
Is that a deal breaker for you?
what
A deal breaker.
no
That's better. So, where do you attend? UG or FET?
UJ and you
I'm also UG. Which campus?
APP and you
Oh, I'm an APK. I guess we're gonna see each other more often since we may take the same buses, right?
no yodwa masiyibhasi yase-APP yodwa yase-APK
Aren't you from this race?
yeah
Yeah, I get it, there's a blue bus. But then since you're from this race, I mean, there's actually a lot more chance to get to know you. Maybe speed up the process of getting to know each other. Since you've been here, I get you said you prefer a lot of communication and stuff. So it'll be better when you're near than when you're far. Just like you said, you're coming from a long distance relationship. So I guess we're gonna be cool. But in so far, I can see, I feel like you're a good person. Hopefully, I feel like this after the unveiling.
hey vale
Okay, people will still talk of it, then I'll unfold. I'll just take off the blinds.
hayi koqala bani
So ke ngoku wone zoqala kuwe. Like judging from the conversation you had, umnika bani ngoku ratings out of 10?
okay ndingathi 9 because shem ingathi he's a good guy uyabo and upholile yeah
Okay, the umnika 9 because he's a good guy upholile. So ngendlela ovethetha ngamo cinga if it's possible kuyenzeka mhlawumbe ikhona into ebhadlile ngenzeka.
Ayingxaki andifuni into mna.
Awufuni into ne? Okay, yeah.
But if mhlawumbi bendiyifuna, yeah, I can say that because ngathi ungumjito right opholileyo akapaphi.
Okay, so still a chance. Okay, so wena umrate abantu so far cause kunike u9 cabanga.
Yeah, she seems like a cool person and also a welcoming person, so that's a green light for me. So I'll say a 9.5.
9.5.
Yeah,
Why? Because you think she's a cool person.
yeah, and a welcoming personality, and she's also funny, I've heard. So
Yeah, ne?
yeah,
So ma try like go she's willing to give you the chance you are in.
yeah. I mean, if you're both down for it, I mean, why not? Yeah.
Okay. So ke ngoku okay. Angangxami now let me just like disuse so you can see each other then ningalandela. Yabo? Yeah, nzenza kanjani? Uzojonga le fethu ne anadroom. Jonga le ngicela jonge ngapha. So nisusa then. Ngizosho uba like ngijonga. I will just remove as
Okay.
okay. Oh, but I remove na ungazikhupha. Ungajongi ne. Jongelene. Bamba ifo. Then I will tell you about like I will tell you about okay ngingajonga yabo. Mina and ngifuna ukusit down, ngifuna ukusit view. I don't want to be here yabo. Majonga. Yeah. Ngizobala like 3 to 1 then you can. Why you do chick?
No, it's
Okay, 3, 2, 1. Yeah, ngingajonga. Did you know each other?
Yeah.
Okay. So Kalaku, then so far ever since you saw him, like what do you think of him?
And think.
What do you think of her?
she's cute.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, nice.
Yeah.
Matches the whole personality. So yeah.
Yeah. So when what are you saying about you? Yeah, cute. Thank you, Nyan.
Yeah.
Thank you, Nyan.
Yeah. Enkosi.
Only.
Ayibofuneke ndithini.
Okay, like so again go. I'm not saying man for nothing, but at least mambona like ufika intoni engqondweni ngezinto abendithetha ngazo.
Andifikelwa into ufuna ndifikelwa.
Why so?
Right, like umjito right, shame right.
Yeah,
And
right.
ngathi une respect ukaya khona. Cool. Yeah, but
Yeah, I understand. Tell ngathi uyachalaza fethu.
Yeah.
Why? And I haven't uthini, but tell ngathi unamahloni.
Nah, not at all.
Not at all.
It's just giving a chance to talk with her.
Yeah. So then are you looking forward like when seeing her like maybe after up?
If she's up to it, yeah, we can try.
What if you like up